Beneath the streets of Epernay lie over 100 kilometers of chalk cellars holding over 200 million bottles of the finest champagne in the world. During our 3 days in Epernay, we did tours and tastings at 5 iconic champagne houses: Mercier, Alfred Gratien, Jacquinot, Moet and Chandon, and Perrier Jouet. Eugene Mercier founded his champagne house in 1858 on the Avenue des Champagnes. A brilliant businessman, Mercier is credited with pioneering modern champagne operations and marketing innovations. One thing that sets Mercier apart is the miniature train that takes visitors through the cellars as the guide gives a lively description of the tunnels, the artwork, and the history of Mercier.
A little bit chilly. Now it will be a more refreshing part, but I think you will want with champagne also.
Alfred Gratien Champagne House was founded in 1864 by Alfred Gratien. Only first press must is used for a limited production of 300,000 bottles annually. Gratien is one of the few major houses that exclusively uses oak barrels without the malolactic fermentation to preserve vibrancy. Jean-Manuel Jacquinot serves as both cellar master and oenologist since 1998, overseeing winemaking and production. We explored vats, cellars, and the production process, finishing with tastings that included outstanding private cuvées, Blanc de Blanc, and Blanc de Noir. Founded in 1743 by Claude Moet in Epernay, Moet and Chandon is the largest champagne house in the world, with around 28 million bottles produced annually. About 28 kilometers of tunnels are carved up to 30 meters deep in the cellars below 20 Avenue des Champagnes. Perrier Jouet is a prestigious champagne house founded in 1811 in Épernay by Pierre-Nicolas Perrier and his wife Rose Adelaide Jouet. The couple's shared passion for nature and the arts shaped the house's elegant, floral-driven style, especially its focus on Chardonnay. Grill and Chill is a highly rated restaurant in the heart of Épernay, run by David Jurek and his family. In addition to Grill and Chill, we enjoyed several of the other fine restaurants and bakeries in Épernay. With so many great champagne houses, restaurants, and museums within easy reach by foot or a short car ride, Épernay is a must for lovers of great food and champagne. Read more at PlayStayEat.com.